In Serbia, there is a city called Pančevo. In this city lives and works teacher Predrag Starčević, a great humanist, pacifist and philanthropist. The word this teacher has probably spoken the most in his life is love. His mission is to spread compassion and love among children and adults.
Moj život su usmerili ratovi koji se desili raspadom Jugoslavije. U Srbiji je nastala kriza, bez struje, bez grejanja, bez goriva. I u Srbiju se slilo gotovo 1 milion izbeglica. Najteže je možda bilo deci iz mešovitih brakova. Marko je jedan od njih, došao je iz Bosne, a sada je u Nemačkoj.
To je neki najteži moj period jer je to ratni period bio. U tom kontekstu sam puno, opet ću naglasiti, ljubavi i pažnje dobio od vas.
In 1995, he led a group of war-displaced children to Nea Apollinia in Greece for a 7-month stay. The project was organized by the Association of Greek Cities and the Red Cross of Greece and Serbia. Many of these children have lost their parents in the war. Many came from ethnically mixed marriages. He was their teacher there. That was the most challenging period of his life. He felt such deep struggle in those children that his life was never the same again. He volunteered with the Red Cross of Serbia for over 20 years. More than 20,000 children participated in this project in Greece. 15 years later, he established Serbian language supplementary schools in Thessalonica, Kataneri, and Leptakaria in the Republic of Greece.
Kada sam vodio decu iz rata u Neapoloniju u Grčkoj, Slaven je bio 3. razred.
Mi smo kao deca iz rata došli u Grčku u usvojiteljske familije, a Peđa nam je bio jedan svetionik, jedan mir posle svih tih godina koje su se desile svima nama. Kao što i on to teško preživao i naučilo ga je to dosta u životu i promenilo, tako i nas sve to promenilo.
Και είναι αλήθεια ότι ειδικά στην αρχή είχαμε πολλά προβλήματα, κυρίως λόγω της διαφορετικής γλώσσας που μιλούσαν τα παιδιά. Ο Πρέτρακ λοιπόν ήταν πάντα εκεί και δάσκαλος και πατέρας για αυτά τα παιδιά, πάντα μια ανοιχτή αγκαλιά και πάντα κοντά μας για να λύσει οποιοδήποτε πρόβλημα.
Ponosna sam na mog učitelja što je napisao ovaj bukvar za 1. razred.
Ja volim fiziku zato što kada izgubimo učitelj nas podržava i hrabri i tako uvek u životu.
Ja volim matematiku zato što nam učitelj sve lepo objasni. Kada pogrešimo, on nam kaže da ceni što smo pokušali.
Predrag holds public lessons where all his former generations of students gather. In this way, he connects his students and creates a large family of teacher Peđa's pupils. He designed and implemented the project Bridges of Friendship. The project involved children and teachers from 14 schools across Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia, and Slovenia, countries that were at war in the 1990s. The book, Bridges of Friendship, contains children's thoughts, drawings, and video messages. In addition to texts written in local languages, the book also includes thoughts in Italian and Hungarian. The book was translated into English and published in the United States.
Bez obzira koliko smo udaljeni ili različiti, mostovi nam omogućavaju da budemo zajedno.
Knjiga Mostovi i prijateljstvo nije obična knjiga. To je naša priča i naša veza koja nas spaja. Svaka stranica je ispunjena sa puno ljubavlju i truda svakog od nas.
Mostovi prijateljstva su tek deo životne misije Predraga Starčevića. On se na svakom koraku zalaže za mir, pomirenje, ljubav, plemenitost, dobrotu, bez obzira da li je to njegova učionica, da li je to razgovor s prijateljima, stručni skup ili neki spontani razgovor.
In their fight for a better and more humane society, college students from different universities in Serbia were nominated for the Nobel Prize in 2025. Teacher Predrag supported the students from the very beginning of their peaceful protests, through public speeches, as well as in his writings and publications, locally and internationally.
Ponosim se svim generacijama mojih učenika, također se ponosim i studentima. Oni su budućnost ove zemlje i to elita koja će voditi ovu zemlju i njihov učitelj uvek ostaje uz njih.
Učitelj Peđa
Ne da je samo učitelj po opredeljenju, nego ja bih rekla učitelj po duši. Osoba koja nas je prvo učila iz života, a tek onda iz udžbenika.
Imajući u vidu njegovo prethodno iskustvo upravo u tom nekom filantropskom i drugom, da kažemo, humanitarnom radu i radu sa drugim pacijentima i takođe tome što je pomagao deci oboleloj od raka, udruženju Nurdor, došla sam na ideju da sa njim razgovaram, da vidim da li je raspoložen da drži nama radionice pacijentima. On je naravno to oberučke prihvatio.
Nastava u vreme korone koju je organizovao učitelj Peđa preko Zoom platforme omogućila je našoj deci ne samo da budu sa učiteljem svaki dan, već i da se viđaju i čuju sa decom iz raznih zemalja, iz Slovenije, Italije, Švajcarske, Grčke, Srbije.
Many of his former students are now successful individuals. Many have gone abroad. Some are professors at universities. Others work at scientific institutes around the world. And some are employed by major global banks and institutions. Teacher Peđa is proud of all his former students.
Osmislio sam projekat Moj slatki edukativni raspust u kome je učestvovalo 15 uglednih ličnosti kulturne i javne scene Srbije. Roditelji su mogli da uplate koliko su želeli, a uplatili su dosta. Tako da smo sav novac poslali našim prijateljima u Etiopiju. Naredne godine sam proširio projekat i u njemu je učestvovala i Slovenija i Hrvatska.
Predrag's efforts have fostered a deep sense of brotherhood and strengthened the relationship between Ethiopia and Serbia. His humanity and dedication have left a lasting legacy of friendship and compassion of both countries. I sincerely appreciate Teacher Predrag unwavering commitment, humility, and the humanity spirit. His altruism is truly inspiring.
Kada smo vidjeli slike dece iz Etiopije, krenuli smo da plačemo. Mi, deca, učitelj i naši roditelji. Odlučili smo da budemo posmatrači i u tom momentu smo im pomogli i osjećala sam se vrlo ponosna na sebe i na svoje vršnjake. Zato mislim da smo radili jako dobar posao i osjećala sam se presrećna.
Teacher Predrag has personally, or together with his students, taken part in various projects or Zoom classes with participants from many countries: Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Slovenia, Italy, Greece, Switzerland, Sweden, Denmark, France, Germany, Israel, Nepal, the United Kingdom, India, the United States. In addition to awards from Serbia, he's received recognitions from several of these countries as well. His kindness has even reached Africa. In 2021, he initiated the project A Hand of Friendship and Love for the Children of Ethiopia. A year later, the project expanded to include Serbia, Croatia, and Slovenia. All collected funds were donated to provide food and clothing for children affected by war in Ethiopia. The project was implemented in Ethiopia by the Ethiopian Center for Development.